made these colorful fish with the extra fuzzy kind of pipe cleaners, but you can use the regular kind too. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need a blue and a pink extra fuzzy pipe cleaner and a piece of a regular yellow pipe cleaner, fingernail clippers, googly eyes, and thick white craft glue. Start by making the body of the fish. Coil the pink pipe cleaner by twisting the pipe cleaner around in circles. Keep it flat and keep the coils close together until you get to the end. Tuck the end of the pipe cleaner into the previous coil and pinch it tight to keep everything together. Cut the blue pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. Thread one half of the pipe cleaner through the outside coil of the fish's body. Fold it in half and twist it around to keep it in place. Coil each end in toward the center. This will make the fish's tail. Thread the other half of the blue pipe cleaner through the very center of the fish's body. Coil each end in toward the body to make the fins. Squeeze the end a little bit to give it a little bit of a triangular shape. Do the same thing on the other side. Thread the piece of yellow pipe cleaner through the outer coil in the place where the mouth will go. Twist the two ends close to the coil to keep it in place. Clip the ends to about 3/4 of an inch to an inch long. And then coil down each side to make the mouth. The last step is to glue on the eyes. Use a thick white craft glue and place an eye on each side of the body. When the glue is completely dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so I can continue bringing you new craft videos every week.